Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Now that your oysters are ready, it's time to get them on the grill. In this part, we'll show you exactly how to cook them for that perfect, restaurant-style flavor at home. Shucking and grilling process. Shucking can feel intimidating, but with a firm grip and the right motion, it's straightforward. Shucking. Hold the oyster cup side down with a towel for grip. Slide an oyster knife into the hinge, twist to pop it open, then glide the blade along the top shell to detach the muscle. Keep the liquid inside, its flavor gold. Grilling. Place shucked oysters flat side up on the grill. If using toppings, like garlic butter or herbs, add them now. For raw style, still slightly cool in the center, grilled 2-3 minutes. For fully cooked, opaque and bubbling, grill 5-6 minutes. Watch for the edges to curl slightly and the juices to bubble. That's your cue they're done. Overcooking makes them tough, so pull them off as soon as they look plump and glossy. Bonus. If shucking feels risky, grill them unopened for 8-10 minutes until the shells pop. They'll steam in their own brine, staying ultra tender. Use a glove to shuck them hot, then add toppings. Flavorful toppings and pairings for grilled oysters. Grilled oysters shine when paired with the right toppings and sides. Simple or creative, the right combination can turn them into a showstopper. Here's how to enhance their natural brininess with classic flavors and bold twists, plus the best drinks and sides to complete the meal. Classic butter and garlic topping. Butter and garlic are the go-to for a reason. Melted butter adds richness, while garlic brings a sharp, savory punch that doesn't overpower the oysters. A sprinkle of fresh parsley or chives brightens the dish. To make it, melt 1/2 cup unsalted butter with 3 minced garlic cloves over low heat. Stir in a pinch of salt and a squeeze of lemon juice. Spoon over oysters just before grilling, letting the butter bubble into the edges. The heat mellows the garlic, blending it with the oyster's natural sweetness. For extra depth, swap butter for ghee or add a dash of smoked paprika. Creative and gourmet variations. Ready to experiment? These toppings bring excitement to every bite. Spicy chili crisp. A mix of crunchy chili oil, garlic, and fried shallots adds heat and texture. Miso glaze. Whisk white miso with mirin and honey for a salty sweet umami kick. Citrus zest. Lemon or lime zest mixed with finely grated ginger keeps things bright and fresh. Herbed breadcrumbs. Toasted panko with thyme and pecorino gives a satisfying crunch. Don't shy away from bold flavors, oysters can handle them. A drizzle of sriracha mayo or a spoonful of chimichurri can transform the dish entirely. Perfect side dishes and beverages. Grilled oysters pair well with light, crisp accompaniments that balance their richness. Sides. A baguette or grilled sourdough to soak up the juices. A simple cucumber salad with rice vinegar and sesame seeds. Roasted corn dusted with chili powder for a smoky sweet contrast. Drinks. White wine. A chilled Sauvignon Blanc or unoaked Chardonnay complements the brine. Beer. A light lager or citrusy IPA cuts through the butter and garlic. Sparkling water. With a wedge of lime, it refreshes the palate between bites. Stick to drinks with high acidity or effervescence. They cleanse the palate and enhance the oyster's flavor without competing. Common mistakes to avoid when grilling oysters. Even with the best oysters and toppings, small missteps can turn a great dish into a disappointment. Avoiding these pitfalls ensures your grilled oysters stay juicy, flavorful, and far from rubbery. Overcooking and drying out. Oysters cook quickly. Too much heat turns them tough and chewy. The goal is to warm them just enough to enhance their natural brininess without losing their delicate texture. Timing is key. Grill shucked oysters for 2-3 minutes for a raw center finish or 5-6 minutes for fully cooked. Any longer risks overcooking. Watch for visual cues. The edges curl slightly, and the juices bubble when they're ready. Remove them immediately to prevent drying out. Use indirect heat. If your grill runs hot, move oysters to a cooler zone after a minute or two to finish cooking gently. Unopened oysters need a bit longer, 8–10 minutes, but once the shells pop open, they're done. Overcooking steals their sweetness and leaves them tasting like rubber. Using low-quality ingredients. Grilled oysters are simple, so every ingredient matters. Skimping on freshness or flavor shortcuts ruins the dish before it hits the grill. Fresh oysters only. Mushy or fishy-smelling oysters won't improve with heat. Stick to lively, tightly closed shells with clear liquor inside. Skip the cheap butter. Low-quality butter can taste greasy or bland. Opt for high-fat European-style or cultured butter for richer flavor. Fresh herbs over dried. Dried parsley or garlic powder lacks brightness. Fresh herbs, minced garlic, and citrus zest make toppings pop. If you wouldn't eat an oyster raw, don't grill it. Heat amplifies flavors, both good and bad. Grilled oysters are a celebration of simplicity and flavor. The smoky char from the grill elevates their natural brininess, while toppings add endless creativity. Whether you stick to classic garlic butter or try bold new combinations, each bite delivers a taste of the coast. The best part? There's no wrong way to do it. Play with heat levels, test different oysters, and mix up toppings to find your favorite. Now it's your turn. Fire up the grill and see what works for you. Share your favorite grilled oyster experiments in the comments. Happy grilling! Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.